Good day, my ladies and my gents. I got figured out me a little tip that just might make painting things a little bit easier. I want to take a fuel tank and I want to paint it with spray paint. I can't use an airbrush, so I need a way to do it. How do I paint it? How do I get it to stay in place? I can't exactly glue it. So what I did is I found, let's see, right along here where the back of the fuel tank or whatever it is you want to paint that's round, and this will fit right along here, which will be covered up eventually when I go to attach it. So what I did, I drilled a hole like this, whatever size hole. I took a toothpick and I put it, a little bit of super glue, and I put that in. When I get done, I can just nip that off. It fills the hole, no problem, and you can glue it in place and it's all nice and pretty and painted. Just a quick little idea to maybe help make this a little easier. I also use a lid to a, I don't remember what appliance we got or what, I don't remember what, but anyway, wound up getting a large cardboard lid that I use as kind of my paint booth. I take it out and set it on the railing on the front porch, and it's cardboard. So I can take this and stab it into the cardboard and it keeps it upright, or I can stab it into the side and go that route. So just a quick little idea about how to go about doing this. So there we have it, a nice quick and easy way to do to be able to paint something that's round that you want to paint. So have at it. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you again. This is Tex signing out.